Hello everybody, today we're going to look at column subtraction. Now, subtracting can sometimes be difficult, especially when you have to borrow and steal numbers from the other columns. So let's start with a nice easy one, and then we'll move on and do a little bit more difficult subtraction. Are you ready? Let's go. I'll write the question out first, nice and easy. Okay, we have today 326 subtract 113. Okay, let's set it out properly. We need to place our numbers on top of each other. The biggest number on top. Are you ready? 326 subtract 113. Make sure your numbers are in the correct columns. Are you ready? Let's label them. Okay, hundreds, tens and ones. Now I'm going to do my ruler line. Now, which column do we start with? We start with the ones. Nice and easy. 6 subtract 3. What's 6 subtract 3? 3. Brilliant. Good answer. 2 subtract 1. Let's move to the tens column. Nice and easy. 1. 3 subtract 1 is 2. We have an answer. 213. Okay, now let's make it a little bit more difficult. Moving on to the next question. Let's try 326 subtract 239. Let's draw our ruler line. Okay, now we still start with the ones column. Let's label them again. Hundreds, tens and ones. Remember, you do not do 9 subtract 6. No, we always start with the top number. Okay? So we need to start with the 6. Can you do 6 subtract 9? No. If I only have 6, I can't take away 9. So what do? We need to steal. So we move across to the tens column and we cross it out. Watch. It's not 2 tens anymore. We're going to change it to 1 because we are going to steal 1. Where do we put the 1? We place it by the 6. And we make a new number. What's our new number? 16. Okay? Now, we can continue with our subtraction. Watch. 16 subtract 9. I can do that. What's the answer? 7. Correct. Okay, moving on again. Back to my tens column. I don't have 2 anymore. I have 1. Subtract 3. I can't do it. I need to steal again. So we move to the 3 in the hundreds column and we cross it out. We make that a 2 because we've stolen 1 and we place it here. I have a new number again, 11. 11 subtract 3, which is 8. Correct. Place it here. The last thing I need to do is look at my hundreds column. What do I do now? 2 subtract 2 is 0. We can place it in if you want to hold your place value, but it is not necessary. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 87. Okay, so today we've looked at column subtraction. Nice and easy and a little bit more difficult. Stealing from the tens column and the hundreds column to get our final answer.